Hey folks, what's going on? Today we're talking about the pyramidalis. Pyramidalis is a tiny little triangle muscle that goes from the pubic bone and it goes anterior in front of the rectus abdominis and is on each side of that linea alba, which is that fascia that splits each side of our abdominals. Okay, so we're going to take both spheres. You can experiment using one sphere as well, but we're going to try to go starting off with both spheres right around that pubic bone, pubis area. Okay, gentlemen, be careful. All right, and if you've got anything that you think could be more of a visceral disease, please check with the doctor first. However, a lot of these visceral symptoms could be due to trigger points in a bunch of the areas of the pelvic floor and the abdominal wall. So today we're working on that tiny little muscle called the pyramidalis, and we're just going to sink in, go slow, all right, and little side strokes over time, kind of separating that from everything else. You can do little quarter rolls and then sink in again. You can try to come up, kind of push in, deep breathe, deep breath. Come back in. Spend 5 minutes doing this, okay? It's pretty tender. It should be, especially because the nature of the way we sit today and our posture and our postural tendencies. So make sure you have plenty of water, keep on penotting, and be well, folks.